Okay, magandang araw sa lahat. Ang ating leksyon sa umagang ito, sa araw ito ay Measures of Central Tendency of Ungrouped Data. Mathematics 8, Week 1, Quarter 1 at ito ay galing sa matatag curriculum. So bago tayo magpatuloy, please hit the like and subscribe button. At ipakihit na rin sa bell button para sa mga sumusunod pa nating mga videos. By the end of the lesson, you are expected to define measures of the central tendency of ungrouped data, compute the mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data, and generate insights from statistical data using measures of central tendency. So, unang activity natin ngayon, alam niyo ba kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng quantitative at qualitative? So, una, ano nga ba ang quantitative? So, ang quantitative ay mga bilang o numero, o ito ay tinatawag na numerical data. Samantalang ang qualitative naman, ito yung mga uri ng datos na kabilang ang salita, obserbasyon, opinyon, karanasan, o tinatawag na non-numerical data. So, at this activity, ating sasagutin ang activity nito. Ang directions ay identify whether the following data is quantitative or qualitative. So, number 1, general average. Ano nga ba ito? Magaling. Ito ay quantitative. Number 2, civil status. Ito ay quantitative or qualitative. So, civil status kagaya ng married, single, or widow. So, ito ay qualitative. Number 3, annual income. So, pag income, ito ay bilang o numero. So, of course, it is quantitative. Number 4, years in school. So, klarong-klaro na pag years, that is number. So, pag number, that is quantitative. Number 5, educational attainment. So, kagaya ng college graduate. So, kung ano ang yung natapos. So, yun ay qualitative. Number 6, skin color. So, klarong-klaro ito ay qualitative. Okay. Number 7, age. So, quantitative. Number 8, number of children. Okay, number of children. Ibig sabihin ay, okay, magaling. Quantitative. Okay, wait, ang bigat. Bigat ng bawat tao. Ang iyong bigat. Okay, ito ay nagbilang sa magaling. Ito ay quantitative. Pala tayong social class. So, ibig sabihin ay, ito ay qualitative. Okay, so napakagaling. Sa activity 2 natin, ito ay meet me in the middle. So, analyze the two number lines below and answer the questions that follow. So, there are how many number lines? There are 2. In the left and in the right. So, in the left, the two numbers are 3 and 7. And in the right are 2 and 4. Okay, so the guide questions. Number 1. What is the middle value of the indicated numbers in the number line on the left? So, pag middle value, so on the left, meron tayong 3 and 7. So, first is we're going to write the numbers na yung mga linya na nakikita natin na walang numero. So, after sa 3, that is 4, 5, 6, then 7, of course. So, pag sinasabing middle value, ito ay nasa gitna. Okay, mga bilang o numero na nasa gitna. Okay, ano nga ba? So, ano nga ba ang bilang na nasa gitna ng number line sa kaliwa? So, di ba? Klarong-klaro na ito ay number 5. So, ang sagot sa number 1 ay number 5. Magaling. Okay, next question. What is the middle value of the indicated numbers in the number line on the right? So again, it is middle value on the right. So take note on the right, that is 2 and 9 ang mga bilang o numero. So unang-una, atin mo nang lagyan na or susulatan natin ng mga numero. Ano nga ba ang mga numero na nasa in between sa pagitan ng 2 at 9? So pagkatapos ng 2, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So ibig sabihin, yung naka-red colors na mga numbers 3 hanggang 8, yun ang mga number in between sa 2 at 9. Pero, kailangan na ito nating sagutin kung ano nga ba ang numero or bilang na nasa gitna. Okay. So, ang ating titingnan ay there are how many numbers in between? Diba there are 6? Diba? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 6. This is even number. Pag even number, okay, so dalawa din ang bilang or value na nasa gitna. So that is 5 and 6. Ano nga ba ang ating gagawin para makita ang middle value? Okay, ating isa-sum up or ating i-add ang dalawang numero. 5 plus 6 divided by 2. And that is 11 divided by 2. And the final answer, that is the middle value, is 5.5. So that is the answer in number 2 question. Okay. Now, in number 3, how were you able to find the answer for each given number line? Of course, we find it by finding what is halfway between the indicated numbers. Kung ano nga ba ang nasa gitna. Kung ano yung halfway in between sa dalawang numero. Okay. So this time, let us unlock the content vocabulary in this topic. Okay. Number 1, measures of central tendency are a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within the set of data. As such, measures of central tendency are sometimes called measures of central location. And the measures of central tendency, meron itong tatlong mga sub na tinatawag natin yung mga uri nilang ng central tendency. So una, mean. Mean is the sum of the data values divided by the number of values, and this is called, this is also referred to as the arithmetic mean. So ibig sabihin, yung mean daw, yung sum of the data values. So ibig sabihin sum, that is yung total or yung resulta sa pag-add mo sa mga values. And this is also referred to the arithmetic mean. So the mean is the balance point of a distribution. Next is part of the measures of central tendency is also the median. Is the number that falls in the middle position. Okay, yung number na nasa middle position, yung nasa gitna. Once the data has been organized from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So, ibig sabihin, pag inayos na natin yung data from pinakamababa hanggang sa pinakamataas na value or di kaya pinakamataas na value hanggang sa pinakamababa, so makikita natin kung ano yung middle value. Okay? Or the middle number. Next is mode. Mode is the value that appears most frequently in the set of data. So, ibig sabihin kung sino yung mas maraming paulit-ulit na nag-a-appear sa isang data, sa set of data, ibig sabihin siya yun ang sinasabi nating mode. Okay, so let's proceed. How to find the mean, median, and mode of an ungrouped data. Paano nga ba natin makikita or malalaman paano natin makukuha yung mean, median, and mode of an ungrouped data? Okay, so in finding the mean of an ungrouped data, we find the sum of values divided by the number of values in the data set represented by n. Okay, so we use the formula. This formula, mean, that is ang x ay may linya, is equal to the sum of x divided by n, where x or line of x or x is equal to mean, and the sum of x is the sum of values, and n is the number of values, kung ilan yung values. Okay, so note the symbol sigma, yung line na yan, yung symbol na yan, sigma ang tawag niya, is a Greek letter used to indicate summation. Okay, so ibig sabihin, pag mayroon makikita mong ganyan bitaw na parang z, baliktad na z, so yun ay summation. Okay, next. So, in finding the median of an ungrouped data, we arrange the values of the data set in either increasing or decreasing order and find the middle score. Okay, so makikita lang natin yung median or tinatawag na middle value ng isang set of data kung na-arrange na natin yung mga data from by increasing in either increasing or decreasing order. If there are two middle values, so kung dalawa daw ang middle values, kasi sometimes dalawa, no? Pag lalong-lalo na yung data natin ay even number, no? Kung sa Bisaya pa, di siya bukig ba, pares-pares na. So, ibig sabihin, dalawa rin yung middle values. So, ang gagawin natin ay we add those and divide it by 2, or x sub 1 plus x sub 2 divided by 2, where x sub 1 and x sub 2 are the two middle values. Okay, so in finding the mode, select the mode that appears most often in the data set. Okay, kung pipiliin din natin yung value na kadalasan mas marami siya doon sa isang data set. If two or more values appear the same number of times, so kung dalawa or higit pa ang values na same lang ang kanyang example, nagdadalawa sila, so then each of the values is a mode, no? So, mode pa rin sila. Tag-iisa nila doon. Pero, however, if all scores appear the same, okay, so if all scores appear the same number of times, then the set of data has no mode. So, ibig sabihin, kung lahat daw ng scores or lahat ng data doon ay same sila ng number of times appeared, ibig sabihin, walang mode ang data. So titingnan natin ang mga examples. Okay, number 1. The shoe sizes of the members of the basketball team Liliu Lakers are 7, 9, 11, 8, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 8. So compute for the measures of central tendencies. Now, uunahin natin ang pag-compute ng mean. So unang-una, let us use the formula given. So x is equal to, or mean is equal to the summation of all the data values, 7 plus 9. I-add mo lang lahat yan sa plus 11 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 8 divided by kung ilan lahat ito. So ilan lahat ito? 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Okay, so simply just add them all and then divided by 11. So your answer is 8.4545 or approximately 8.45. So pwede lang i-round up to the 2 decimal places. So hence, the average shoe size of the members of the basketball team is 8.45. Next is, let us look for or let us find the median of this example. Okay, so syempre, ating i-arrange, no? Rearranging the values in increasing on order from di lang gagaling sa pinakamababa na value hanggang sa pinakamataas. So, this is the result. So 7, 7, tapos ilan ang 8, 5, then tapos dalawang 9, tapos 10, then 11. So, una, ating bibilangin kung ilan ba lahat ito. So, una, atong ilalagyan natin ng, or pwede na hindi nalagyan, no? This time, for the sake of kanang pagtuturo, no? Lalagyan ko ng mga numero sa ibaba. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, remember, if 11, that is odd number. Ibig sabihin, walang pares, or sa Bisaya pa, bungkig. So, pag odd number, mas madali nating makikita yung median kasi kung sino yung nasa gitna, simply, 11 divided by 2, that is yung nasa gitna niya. So, after ng 5, no? Okay, so after ng 5, that is, okay. So, ibig sabihin, 5, ika-crush out natin yung sa left side, 5, and another 5 din from gikan sa, galing sa pinaka-last, mag-count tayo ng 5, no? So, yun, makikita na natin kung ano yung nasa gitna. Klarong-klaro na kung ano yung value na nasa gitna. Of course, since the middle value is the median, then the median is 8. So, in this case, the median is 8. So, klarong-klaro siya, no? Kasi maghahanap lamang tayo sa numero after 5, after 5th value. So, after 5th value sa left side. And then, mag-account ka rin ng limang value doon sa right side. Okay. So, parang ganun. Well, pwede namang hindi mag-crush out. Madali lang naman yun, basta odd number. Okay, next, mode. So, in this case, gagamitin natin yung arrangement na ginagamit natin sa median, yung ganito, from highest to lowest. So, pwede rin from lowest to highest. Pwede rin, babalik rin natin from highest to lowest. So, dito, ang arrangement ay from smallest or from lowest to highest. No? Okay, increasing order yun. So, makikita natin, in this case, in this example, na mas pinakamarami ang 8. So, since 8 is the most repeated value in the dataset, then the mode is 8. In example, the most occurring shoe size of the player is 8. O, diba? Ilan ba yung 8? There are 5. O, kumpara sa 9, diba? Dalawa lang. At sa 7, dalawa lang. Okay. So, si 8 talaga ang pinaka mas marami, kaya siya yung mode sa dataset na ito. Next example, teacher Abigail recorded the number of spelling errors made by her 8 students during the test, 6, 5, 4, 6, 2, 0, 5, and 1. So, compute for the measures of central tendencies. So, first we're going to find the mean. So, unang-una, i-add natin yung mga values. 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0 plus 5 and plus 1 divided by 8. So, i-add natin yun. Ilan ba lahat yun? So, 29 divided by 8. The answer is 3.63. Hence, the average number of spelling errors is 3.63. So, that is the mean. Okay, next is median. So, first is we are going to rearrange the values in decreasing order galing sa pinakamataas hanggang sa pinakamababa. So, ilan ba ang 6, 5, 5, 4, 2, 1, 0. So, yun. Ito na ang yun ang pinaka-exact na decreasing order sa data na ito. And then, to find the median, let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, since this is 8, so this is even number. Pag even number, dalawa ang values na nasa gitna. Okay, so in this case, we're going to crush out the left side and we're going to also crush out the right side of the two middle values. So the two middle values now is 5 and 4. So since there are two middle values, we add them and divide it by 2. So 4 plus 5 or 5 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 4.5. Then the median is 4.5. Letter C, mode. So the mode is we're going to use, gagamitin natin yung arrangement na ginagamit natin sa median from highest to lowest para makita natin. Mas madali kasi nating makita kung sino yung mode, ano yung value na mode dito sa data na ito, no? So in this case, 6 and 5. So therefore, 6 since 5 and 6 occur the same number, pareho sila na dalawa, no? Dalawa yung 6, dalawa din yung 5. So then the mode is both 5 and 6. So the data set is bimodal. Most students commit 5 or 6 spelling errors. Okay, next. Number 3 example, 6 members of the class list the number of brothers and sisters they have, no? Sinusulat nila yung mga brothers and sisters na meron sila. These 6 numbers in ascending order are 2, 0, 0, 4, 2, and 4. Compute for the measures of central tendency. So ascending order pero hindi sila naka-ascending nga. Okay, so mean. So we're going to add all those numbers, 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 divided by 6 in 6 lahat sila. And then, so add 2 plus 4. So wala na yung 0. Dalawang 0. 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. So divided by 6 is equal to 2. So hence the average number of brothers and sisters is 2. Let's find the median of this data. Okay, so to find the median, let us rearrange the values in increasing order from lowest to highest. 0, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4. So let's count how many values are there in this data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 is even number. Pag even number, there are expected na merong dalawang 2 values sa gitna. Okay, so in this case, we will brush out the left side and then the right side. Okay, and then, so makikita natin na dalawa yung values, 2 plus 2. So, divided by 2, of course, is equal to 2. Then the median is 2. Okay. Mode. So, ano nga ba yung mode dito? Gagamitin natin yung arrangement na ginagamit natin sa median. 0, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4. So, makikita natin na tigda-dalawa sila. Ang 0, dalawa. Ang 2, dalawa. Ang 4, dalawa. So, ibig sabihin, since all values occur the same number of times, then the data set has no mode. Wala siyang mode. Okay, let's proceed to now number 4 example. The weights in kilograms of the runners in the annual district level marathon are the following: 90.7, 89.5, 93.4, 92.1, 82.6, 92.5, 94.4, 89.5, 86.7, 90.4, 94.4, 97.1, 89.5. Okay, pag ganito ang mga values, no, mas mga malalaki, kailangan maging maingat ka talaga sa pagsusulat at kailangan mo talagang kopyahin ng maigi kasi para hindi ka malito. Okay, una, mean. Okay, pag mean, of course, regardless kung ito ay na-arrange mo or hindi, just add them up, add all the values, sum up mo lang silang lahat, divided by 13. Okay, 13. So the total of these values is 1,182.8 divided by 13. The answer is 90.98. Hence, the average weight of the runners is 90.98 kilograms. So, yun ang average ng kanilang timbang. Okay, next. Median. Of course, by rearranging the values in increasing order, galing sa pinakamababa hanggang sa pinakamataas, makikita natin yung median. Okay, ito yung pag-arrange, no? Galing sa yung pinakamababa, 82.6. Ang pinakamataas naman ay 97.1. Okay, so bibilangin natin para mas sure tayo talaga kung ilan yung lahat ng data. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 is, ano yun, odd or even? Okay, very good. Ito ay odd number. Okay, pag odd number talaga, mas madali nating makikita yung ano yung nasa gitna. So, ano yung nasa gitna? So, una, ika-crush out natin yung 13 divided by 2, that is 6 point something, diba? So, 6, 6 yung sa left side na ika-crush out natin at 6 din sa right side. Okay, so ibig sabihin, mas klaro na siya kung ano yung nasa gitna na value. Okay, so since the middle value is the median, so the median in this example is 90.7. Okay, let's proceed to the mode. So again, gagamitin natin yung kaniyang arrangement na ginagamit natin sa median. At makikita natin na ang pinakamarami dito ay ang 89.5 at 94.4. Kaya lang, ang 94.4 ay dalawa lang. Samantalang ang 89.5 ay tatlo. So, ibig sabihin, itong 89.5 ang ating mode. So, since 89.5 is the most repeated value in the dataset, then the mode is 89.5. In example, the most occurring weight of the runners is 89.5 kg. Okay, so yun lang muna sa video ito. Thanks for watching and please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button, of course, hit the bell button, of course, para naman sa susunod nating mga video sa ating mga lessons. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.